14-year-old, you don't get any better with the 5 hours practice. You just the same garbage for 5 hours straight. Yeah, he didn't yell, he didn't do anything. He just didn't even look at us. He just walked by. And where's he going? What's he doing? Right? And he walks back upstairs. Keep the light from the angle. Three cartwheels across the floor. I was feeling kind of seasick, but the crowd spread out the more. The room was humming harder, and the ceiling flew away. We called for another drink. The waiter bought a drink. So it was that later the miller told his tale, that her face was just as ghostly, turned to water, shaded pale. She said there is no reason, the truth is plain to see, but I wandered through his play cards. Would not let her be one of 16 vestal virgins who were leaving for the coast. Though my eyes were open, they might have well been closed. So it was that later the miller told his tale. The face was just as ghostly, turned to water, shaded pale. Said I'm home on shore leave, but in truth we were at sea. So I took her to the looking glass. I forced her to agree, saying you must be the mermaid who took Neptune for a ride. But you smiled at me so sadly that my anger struck with tide. So it was that later the miller told his tale. Face was just as ghostly, turned to water, shaded pale.